Alrighty, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. So, guys, first things first, I have an order ready to go for Bank of America. Bank of America is up 5.09%, almost reaching $32 here. So, I'm going to get that order ready to go. We have the 30.50 strike call, so that's going to be worth at least $1.30. We paid 66 cents. We're down 52% on it right now before the market opens. That's going to be up over 100% here on market open. So I'm getting that ready here, 66.60. What's that? Let's see here, a limit order. Let's see. Put in an order for 1.35. That should be about good. Bank of America is still running there, guys. Tesla, we have a nice trade on Tesla too, and Tesla's taking off, so we're going to be getting to that in a minute as well. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Good luck. Have a great day, everyone, and let's make some money. Couple seconds till opening bell. Here we go. Open. Nice move there on Bank of America. Guys, Caterpillar's really running here as well. Okay, let's see here. Orders. Guys, we got an execution on our Bank of America at $1.35. Ephraim, what do we make on that? We got the in for that for 66 cents. 1.35, divide that by 0.66. 105% return on this Bank of America trade. Guys, Caterpillar's still on the run there. I'm watching Amazon here. Amazon's coming back a little bit. Zilbaka. That was a nice game. Guys, Tesla trade. We're up 1,500 bucks on Tesla today. Yes, that was a nice call there on Tesla we made. Delta, we're up another $420 here. Slowly creeping back here on the Delta trade. I'm watching Amazon over here, Dilbaka. Tyler, Delta and Intel are going to be triple-digit gainers, I'm telling you. I'm watching Baba over here. We did a nice job selling Bank of America at the open there. Bank of America was a nice start there. 105% gain. Let me see here. Here was that Bank of America trade, guys.
S&P 500 down 0.5%. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 0.2% after the open.
Here's that Bank of America trade we just closed out. As a quick $1,359.34 gain with the January 8th 3050 call. We paid 66 cents for that. We paid 0.66. We sold it for 1.35. And that was a total gain there of 105%. So that was nice. Now I'm just watching. I'm watching Alibaba. I'm watching Amazon. I'm watching Caterpillar. I'm watching Q's here. Google, Disney, Baidu, Apple, Facebook. I'm watching some other ones here as well. Tesla. But that was a nice little gain there. That's what I mean about waiting for the right opportunity to sell your trades. Sometimes, like this trade right here, we were down 58% on this yesterday. You know, that little pop today, we ended up with over 105% gain. So, you know, you just got to follow the trade plan there. You got to be disciplined. There goes Bank of America climbing again. Let's see here. Amazon just got a nice pop there, guys. 31.60 on Amazon, 31.61. Caterpillar's still breaking out, 189.90. Let's see if Amazon could start that breakout there.
ISR, ICE array halted on a circuit breaker. India Sandy Romeo.
Good morning, Garage Warrior. Nice to have you with us, Mr. Elephant. Hope you guys are having a great morning. Guys, look at the breakout there. Amazon, Baba, Caterpillar. Everything's starting to get a nice little climb here off the lows. Dow's back up 74 points. Nasdaq's only down about 115 right now. See, so obviously you guys know, the Democrats are taking control of the Senate. They won the two races. Well, they're ahead so far. It's not officially over, but they're ahead in the two elections there in Georgia with that runoff. And obviously, if they take control of the Senate, then Democrats are going to control the Senate, the House of Representatives, and the White House. So you got to be thinking about this right now. What do the Democrats want to pass? Well, number one, they said they want to pass medical marijuana. So that's why you're seeing a lot of these medical marijuana companies take off today. especially ones like Tilray, TLRY. What's this one up now? It's up 15% for the day here. Still climbing. You take a look, I think that's really going to have a big pop. And you see what it did here right after the election. So see, here's November 5th. Here's November 6th, the 7th. So when Biden won, you saw that big spike there, right? Now what you're seeing is a spike because now the Senate's going to be controlled by Democrats. So they're easily going to be able to pass many laws right now. And you're going to see, stocks like Tilray and medical marijuana companies continue to climb. I think that could easily hit $20 from now until middle of next year. So, a stock like Tilray, one of them, Paula's been trading in the trade room, CGC, Canopy Growth. I mean, this one's up 16% here as well. Kind of look at the volume, look at the open interest when you're looking at the option chain. Make sure that you have enough open interest and volume to trade something. So if you look at CGC, for example, and you wanted to go out with maybe the July, or let's just say January 21st, 2022 Expo, plenty of time, right? So if you wanted to pick up the 32.50 strike call while you're looking here, total volume 2 contracts, open interest 229, stay away from that one. Look at the more solid ones, the 30 or the 35 here. You got much more open interest volume. Those are the ones you want to stick with. Otherwise it's going to be harder to liquidate. So you see here, this is going for $8 by $9.25. That's $1.80 now difference, $9.80 now. So you literally need that stock to climb, 30% just to break even because of the bid and the ask there. That's why it's really important to make sure you have a tight bid and ask when you're trading options. Otherwise, you have a losing trade right off the bat there by going with that larger spread.
ROC, right? Blockchain, popping to the high 2045.
There's a rumor going around right now, guys. Breaking news. Tesla's rumored to take over large industrial building near Seattle. That is the breaking news. So there's CGC. Now Tilray, TLRY, let's see what this one's doing. This one's got a lot of open interest, a lot of volume as well. The 10 strike's pretty cheap. If you have a $20 target, your break even's going to be that 10 plus the $4. We'll round it down to 4 there, $3.93 now. So we'll just say $4. So 10 plus 4, $14 break even. Add another 4 to that. At $18, you make 100% return. At $20, you have 150% return. So that's really simple there. Quick 150% return if they start passing, medical marijuana there. So that's going to be one to take a look at. Let's see what else is moving over here. Tesla's climbing again nicely, back up over 3.2%. Amazon's climbing. Baba's climbing a bit here, back up above 235 on Baba. Want to see that Amazon break that 3170 here. If not, we'll be getting rid of that sometime today. Caterpillar's up 4.2%, still breaking higher, 191.36, 191.45.
ISR, ISA rate, now at $1.64. After resuming, moving lower now. Indian Sandy Romeo.
Let's see. Let's see. Tisha said she made $500 on some. I was watching that this morning when I came into the office. I had that on one of the screens there. A really nice pickup yesterday, Tisha. Big green candle on Baba. Baba's at 236. She's running for 237 now. Nice climb on Baba.
Coming up in 1 minute, the services PMI for December, 55.3 expected. Market composite PMI, 55.7.
Let's see. You guys are talking about Bank of America running again. We could definitely pick up another Bank of America trade. I'd rather wait, though, a little bit. That's a pretty big move there on Bank of America. Baba's at 237, just about breaking. Let's see. There goes Bank of America back at 31.95, continuing to break higher. Guys, the markets are climbing here. Caterpillar's now at 4.37%, 191.66. Baba, 236.46, continuing to climb above that 10, 20-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart. And Amazon's getting up to that 31.70 resistance again. So looking for it to break that 31.70 on Amazon right here. Let me pull that up. So Amazon, I'm looking for it to break that 31.70 resistance. Once we could break that, I think we could take off here for the rest of the day. But it's important that we don't fall back and break below support at 31.50. If we do, I'd probably be out of that trade there. So nice climb there. And take a look at Qs, what Qs are doing here as well. Amazon wants to run a video.
Services PMI 54.8 versus the 55.3 expected. Composite PMI 55.3 versus the 55.7 expected.
Roku CEO to appear on CNBC shortly. Roku might be a good little day trade here for us, guys. They're going to be coming on CNBC, and I know they just announced a record quarter there.
WIC Wipro announcing their Q3 results.
Caterpillar up to 190, 197. Up over 4.5% there.
S&P futures ticking higher, 37.16, 37.17 now.
Amazon's tightening up there between that 10, 20-day simple moving average. Baba's just getting that 10, 20 cross right now. Let's take a look at Baba. So Baba's got that 10, 20 cross coming up right now. Looking good. I want to see it break above that red 50. If we do, I might be adding a Baba trade. Amazon just tightening up between that 10, 20-day simple moving average. Qs are starting to climb. They're holding that 10, so optimistic on tech. Guys, big breakout on Caterpillar, 192.53. Take a look at Caterpillar here. Big breakout, 192.80 now on Cat. Up 5% for the day on Caterpillar. And there goes Qs, getting up to that 20-day simple moving average. Let's take a look at Qs. Looking for a good day trade setup here. Bank of America, 31.84, up 5.2%. JP Morgan's up 3.49%. AIG's up 3.6%. AIG's not too bad. There we go, guys. A nice breakout on Qs. You see Qs just broke that 10.20. Now take a look at Amazon. Amazon just did the same thing. Has that 10.20 cross coming up. She's now breaking above that 20-day simple moving average for the first time. It just broke that 31.70 resistance. She's 31.75 second. Now we're going to be looking for that resistance right around the 50-day estimate, 31.90. Break that 31.90. We could break that 3,200 and look for that continued run there. So nice climb there on Amazon. Tech's taking off. Qs are still on the climb. Qs got up to 308.50. Dow's now up 166 points. Nasdaq's only down about 78 points right now. So definitely a nice pickup from Tech. Watching Baba here as well. Want to see Baba break that 237.50. Vilio jumped into the Baba day trade. What'd you get, Avilio? The 237.50 or 235? There she goes. She breaks that 237.50. I'm optimistic she's going to continue that breakout. Amazon's nearing 31.80. Here comes Baba, getting a climb again. Let's see what Baba looks like on a 3-month daily. I want to see her really break out for that 250.
CWST, or Conestoga Capital Advisors reporting a 6.04% passive stake in the 13G filing in Casella Waste Systems. That's Charlie Whiskey, Sandy Tango.
Q's want to break out there. Q's are consolidating a little bit. Nice breakout on Baba there, Vilio. Financial sector is going to look great for the next couple of months. Energy as well. There goes Amazon breaking out. Q's are still on the climb. Baba's still climbing there. Baba got right up to that 237.50. I want to see it break that resistance there. $237.57. There goes Q's again. Q's are ready for that breakout. There goes Q's. Big breakout on Q's, guys. Nice candle there. Broke that consolidation. Let's see. Paula loves Cliff there. Let's see. CLF. Let's see what it's doing. Up 14% today. Wow.
Governor Cuomo to hold a press conference.
That's a nice chart there, Paula. You still in those calls? Amazon on the run here again, guys. Nice breakout there on Amazon. From 31.31 to 31.81. Literally a 50-point climb there.
Golf Indy Lima Delta popping to the highs now, 60.55. GILD.
Gilead's breaking out nicely. There goes Caterpillar again.
Earlier announcement that Gilead's Kite and Oxford Biotherapeutics established a cell therapy research collaboration in blood cancers and solid tumors. That's GILD now. 60.55, up about 1% for Gilead, GILD.
Amazon got a big spike there, guys. Look at the spike on Amazon all the way up to 31.90. Dilbaka, are you with us? Where is Dilbaka? Can't wait for this election to be over with. Get some stability in the markets here. BP is doing well today. Guys, TCNNF, this is Trulieve. This is a medical marijuana company here, or dispensary in Florida. They're all over the place. If you look at a 3-month daily chart, I mean, this stock is taking off here, and it's been the place. I mean, you drive past it, there's literally lines out the door. I was thinking about buying some shares of that, or just buying some longer term calls. Guys, Amazon, big breakout on Amazon. Big breakout on Amazon, 31.96, 31.97. Nice move there. Continued breakout there on Amazon. Bob is starting to climb now off that 20-day simple moving average. We'll see if that can break that 237.50 that it tested before. Qs are still holding that 10 right now. Let's see, Bank of America at the highs of the day, says Tyler. What's she at? 32.10. Any of you guys still in the Bank of America trade, or did you guys sell for the 105% gain with us? That was a big run on Amazon. I hope that continues for the rest of the day.
MAS, Michael Alpha Sandy. Masco, hearing Bill reporter said Masco may be looking at a sale. That's Michael Alpha Sandy.
Another nice breakout on Bank of America there. Bob is still on the run.
Masco at 53.37 now, getting a pop here on that headline circulating. NAS.
Another nice breakout on Bank of America. Guys, Caterpillar's taking off again. 193.05, new highs of the day on Caterpillar. 192.15. Nice discipline there, Avilio. I was thinking about doing an earnings play on Bed Bath & Beyond there. Maybe Micron. I'm watching Q's here if that's going to hold that 20-day simple moving average. Caterpillar's still on the run. Baba pulling back a little bit there from that big run it had. I should be looking at JP Morgan. Let's see JP Morgan. Bank of America is up 6.3%.
SHIP, Synergy Maritime getting some volume here, accompanying tweeting. Cape market enjoying its strength with decent chance of pushing Cape vessels, averaging earnings into the 20,000 range, according to Breakwave that reported in a tweet from Synergy Maritime, SHIP, Sandy Hotel India pop-up.
Ship, Tyler. Alrighty, so I'm gonna jump into a JP Morgan trade, guys.
LMT, Pentagon, and Lockheed Martin agreed to $1.28 billion F-35 sustainment contract. That's Lima Michael Tango, LMT.
I'm gonna do a trade on JP Morgan. I'm gonna do a call for the let's go with the February 19th Expo.
Factory orders 1% versus the plus 0.7% expected. Durables ex defense plus 0.8%.
I'll pick up the 130 call. And there we go, guys. I just picked up 10 contracts. Okay, so here we go, guys. We just made this trade. JP Morgan. Let me get. Okay, so we just picked up 10 JP Morgan 130 strike calls for the February 19th Expo. You know, plenty of time there. We need that. Okay, we picked it up for $550 a contract. It was executed at $550. Okay, so our break even is going to be $130, which is our strike plus premium paid. So $550. So our break even is going to be 135.50. Now we add another 550 to that, we have 141 equals a 100% return. So do I think she's going to get to 141? I do. I think she's going to have a big breakout. She's up, you know, $5 today. So we get 2 more climbs like that from now until February 19th. And once Biden takes office there, you're going to see those financials really jump there. JP Morgan's already up, you know, $5 for the day. So another day like that, we'll be up over 50%. As you see, I got 10 contracts. So it's a $5,500 trade. Like that setup. We'll hold on to that, and we'll look for that big gain on the financials here going forward. So nice setup here on JP Morgan. Just picked that up today. And let's see how that does. Alrighty, guys. I want to do medical marijuana one as well. But we'll wait on a little pullback there to enter into a trade on that. There we go. We already got a $70 gain on our JP Morgan trade as she's continuing to climb there. Here is our JP Morgan trade. As you can see, we're already up $95 on it, up 1.72%. We just made that trade. She's still climbing, looking good. I think a 135 short-term target. You know, it's got a pretty good delta on it, so I think this is going to make us a couple $1,000s. That's going to be my target, 135 to 140 target. Bob is trying to break out there. It's holding that 235 Avilio. There goes Q starting to climb again. Baba's climbing. Caterpillars crazy today. Bank of America 32.14, JPM 130.30. Let's see what Roku's doing there. Whenever they get on TV, they usually always get a spike. Avilio, that still looks pretty good. First candle is above the 10-20-50 SMA on the today 1 minute. Looking good. Broke that 330 resistance that it's been struggling with since earlier this morning. That could be an easy day trade. When's he coming on TV? Are they on yet? That'd be a good one to day trade.
Says U.S. banning Chinese payment apps is against fair competition and damages normal market order.
FedEx is starting to have a run. Have you guys looked at any of the shipping companies lately on a daily chart?
China Mobile bouncing following that earlier news sold off, and now 29.11, down about 1% for CHL. China Telecom shares trading down about.
Baba's getting a nice little spike there, back up above 236. FedEx, guys, look at this. I want you guys to see this, okay? This is really important. Are you guys listening in here?
The right to take necessary measures.
Okay, look at that support that we've had on FedEx at 250.
Shares of Tesla hitting a record high earlier, now up about 3%, $758.49 after yesterday's $810.
So guys, we have good support.
That's TSLA.
We have support at 250.
Decision hurts consumer interest, including those of U.S. clients.
You know, so we have some really good support here. The nice thing about if you wanted to make a FedEx trade is if we look at FedEx now, right?
Masco hitting 55,
if we look at FedEx on the option chain here, there goes JP Morgan, new highs of the day again.
That the company may be considering a sale. That's Michael Alpha Sandy.
We're up 120 bucks on the JP Morgan trade already, guys. Okay, so getting back to it now, let's take a look here. So here is the option chain here for FedEx, right? Now, if you wanted to look at the February 19th Expo on FedEx, your stop,
$42 price target at Bank of America Merrill Lynch.
So your target,
that's Lima, India.
your target's going to be your first area of resistance, which if we look This is going to be number 1 right here at 275. So target 275. And the nice thing about this, our stop is going to be at support. So we have support at 250. So support at 250, that means that's going to be our stop. So 250, the stock's at 256 right now. So 250 is our stop. The stock's at 256.16. So we got plenty of room. That's a nice risk to reward ratio there. About a $5, $6 drop from where it's at to make up about a $20 climb from where it's at to the first area of resistance. Qs are having a nice breakout there, guys. Big breakout on Qs. Efren, come on, man. Keep getting kicked out.
BUZI, Vuzix, topping here on volume, $9.34. BUZI, Victor Uniform Zulu, India.
Okay, back to the FedEx trade here.
Sandy Bravo Charlie, Invested Bank Corp, June 12.5 call activity in ISBC. HSBT halted on a circuit breaker. Hotel Sandy.
Guys, our Tesla trade's up 9%, $1,400 gain on the Tesla trade. Okay, what we got to do here now, getting back to this. FedEx, we got a target of 275, a stop of 250. Now, what I want to show you here is how we're going to calculate our potential gain on FedEx. So we're going to go down here on the option chain, right-click, click on columns. We're going to drag down this option chain setup right here. I want to add the delta. I want to add the theta, which is our time decay. Click OK. Now it's going to come up on the option chain. So now what we do is we want to take a look and see, hey, what strike is best for us to get? Okay, so let's take a look here. February 19th, if we pick up the 250 strike, that's going for about $5.65. I always look at the theoretical value here. You look at theoretical value, the 250 going for about $15.65. So that means your break even, 250 plus 15, 265, okay? Now, if we take a look here, our target's 275. We pick up that 260 strike. Take a look. It's going for about 10 bucks. 260 plus 10, 270 is break even. 280 is 100% return. Okay, so not a bad setup for either the 250 or the 260. Obviously, we want to look and see what has the more volume here in open interest, see what the spreads are between the bid and the ask. 260 is not too bad there. So we could easily pick up that 260 strike call and look for that big breakout there. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick up the 260 call. I'm going to make a trade on that right now. 260 call, or we could pick up the 270 if that's a little bit cheaper for you guys. FDX. And guys, the nice thing about this, we have a tight stop. Very tight stop here. So I'm picking up a call for the February 19th Expo. And we'll pick up the... What do you guys rather go with, the 260 or the 270 strike? Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Nice. So we could pick up the 260 or the 270. I'm going to go for the 260. Look at the difference in delta between the 260 and the 270. So I'm going to pick up the 260. I'm just going to pick up 5 contracts of that for now. It's going to be about a $5,000 trade. I'll pick that up, a limit order of about 10. Let's see if I can get in 10.50. Let's see if I can get that executed there. It's going to be a $5,200 trade. And there we go. We got an execution here. I'm sharing this in the trade room with you guys now. And guys, our target is going to be 275. Stop is going to be 250. And then our target 2. Our target number 2 is going to be 300. Let me take a picture of this so we could send this out in the alert. Guys, JP Morgan trade is taking off.
BHC, Bausch Health, seeing some option activity.
Guys, here is the, oops.
January 2022, $30 full sweep on Bausch Health, currently at 22.76.
So here's the trade we just got, guys. We picked up the FedEx 260 call. We got executed at 10.50. We picked up 5 contracts. So it's a $5,200 trade. You know, that's going to do really well. Qs are taking off. There goes Amazon. JP Morgan's at new highs of the day here. Okay, let's see now if I could take this off. Get this back over here.
HSDT shares resume trading now.
Okay, there we go.
Hotel Sandy Delta Tango.
Guys, our JP Morgan trade's already up 6%, $320 gain on that.
WBA, Walgreens says expects to complete administration of COVID-19 vaccine first doses in skilled nursing.
Here is the JP Morgan trade, up $320, up 5.81% that we just made that trade. She's still climbing, still breaking higher, so it's looking pretty good. JP Morgan still in the climb. Nice gains on the day here. Amazon's still on the climb here as well. Disney's taking off, guys. You guys see Disney? You guys have your snapshot of this FedEx target? If you guys wanted to get in, I'm going to clear that up now. Take a screenshot if you want. That's what you should be doing on each trade. Showing where you're going to have your stop, where's your target, when you're going to take profit. We're coming off nice support there, so that's going to be a nice entry. Okay, let's take a look here. In the trade room, I think it was Tyler said Intel was moving. Intel's looking great there on a daily chart. Looking good there on Intel. Qs are having a big breakout again here, guys. Take a look at Qs. Nice run on Qs. Amazon's having a nice run. Want to see her break that 3,200 on Amazon. Baba held that 235 that entire hour there.
OGEN, Orogenics, seeing some heavy volume coming in now. Oscar Golf Echo November, low price stock, OGEN.
Nice day of profits today, guys. Nice moves. Our Tesla trade's absolutely killing it. AIG's up over 5% right now.
Getting a pop to the highs, $1.04. Golf Hotel San Diego.
Guys, Baba's finally moving. Avilio, did you see that one?
GHSI.
Look at that candle on Baba here. First candle above the 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average for the entire day so far. Let's see if that's going to give her a little lift here and break that resistance at 237.50. Qs are still on the climb. Baba wants to break out there. I want to see that move. We have the January 15th Expo on Baba.
ST Microelectronics, January 44 sweep, Sandy Tango Michael.
Google's having a nice little climb there as well. I'm going down the watch list on it today, 1 minute chart. Big breakout on Twitter, guys. Did you guys see that one? JP Morgan climbing off that 20. Bank of America near the highs. Delta is at the highs of the day just about right here. Looking good on Delta. Our Delta trade's up $300 today. That one continues to climb $300, $400, $500 every day, along with Disney. You guys see our Disney calls. There goes JP Morgan breaking 130.91 a share. Baba's still on the climb there, 236.28. United Airlines here, that's looking good. So you guys can see what's going on. You have to be, you have to understand what's going on with the market. Right now, you're seeing a big sector rotation here. People are jumping into the airlines, financials, renewable energies. Why? Well, because the Democrats are going to be taking office really shortly, and they have a lot of things that they're going to be passing pretty quick there on day one. So you have to take advantage of it, There's another nice breakout on Baba here. Qs are still on the climb. So, like medical marijuana, renewable energy stocks, financials.
TLRY, Tilray, weekly 11.5 call sweep.
There you go. There's Tilray. That's a medical marijuana company. Unusual option activity coming in on that. I'm looking for a good day trade to make here in the Trade Challenge account. Our FedEx trades in the green. Let's see what FedEx is doing. FedEx having a big breakout there, guys. Coinbase is down, guys. Breaking news.
Reports on Twitter that Coinbase is down.
I don't trust any of that unregulated stuff. I made a lot of money on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, but another nice breakout on FedEx, guys. Up 3% on our FedEx trade.
Coming up in 5 minutes at 10:30, crude inventories a draw of 2.133 million, distillates a build of 2.309 million, and gasoline inventories a build of 1.5.
Baba's still getting a climb. The SMAs have converged. We're now in breakout momentum on Baba. Just got to break that consolidation at 237.50 for that next run. Nice climb off the 50 on Amazon. Parker, I just saw your message there on Zoom. Dave, I have a nice gain on Bank of America, 30 call expiration 219. Do I lock it in or let it ride? I let it ride a couple more days since you have the February 19th expo. If you had anything shorter, I'd lock it in. But I personally think financials are going to continue to rise over the coming weeks. There goes JP Morgan again, getting up to that 130.83. Baba's holding that 10.
Mayor de Blasio with his daily update now.
ExxonMobil on the run. Let's see, nice climb on ExxonMobil, another 2% climb. She breaks that 45, you could look for another big run to 50. I mean, that stock's been absolutely hammered. This is one of those stocks you want to get long-term there. You get a leap for ExxonMobil now. You know, she could easily be looking at that $70 target. You know, like, this is something I like to do on stocks that are good companies that are just beating the hell down. Is you take a look at ExxonMobil, you could do an out-of-the-money vertical spread for something that might make a pretty decent profit. Like, let's take a look at the January 21st, 2022 Expo, right? Buy to open, sell to open. If we look at this vertical call spread, let's take a look. What expiration did I say? January 2022. Now let's do something out of the money here. You know, maybe something at that $60 mark or 70. So maybe the 55, 57, 50, 60 vertical spread there. And just going for 51 cents to be worth 250. You know, 2.5, divide that by 0.51. It's a 390% return. Now let's say if we get up to that 67, 50, 70, 16 cents to be worth 250. So 2.5, divide that by 0.17, we'll say. That's a 1,400% return. 1,371% max net gain. But here's the thing. This is one of those leaps. You know, you got a year, you got longer than a year until expiration. So you're looking at this chart as a rebound here. It's coming off the lows from COVID back here. It flattened out a bit. Now we got a Democrat coming in. Usually Energies does pretty well there. You know, I think we're going to continue to rebound.
TB18
JP Morgan's still breaking out. I'm watching that right above here, guys.
Crude stocks
But this is a nice one. You don't have to hold it until January 2022. Let me let him finish talking there.
A build of 6.4
Blink
million.
charging shares are trading higher.
Again, crude inventories, a draw of 8.01 million barrels versus a draw of 2.133 million expected. Crude spiking here now.
JP Morgan 130.94, continuing to break higher. There she goes. Next run's coming here on the market, guys. There goes Q's taking off, getting up to that 310 on Q's. Okay, so again, on this trade here, now it's 35 cents. It was just 16. Okay, but on this trade here, you don't have to wait until the January 21st, 2022 Expo. If ExxonMobil gets a nice
level model with lithium iron phosphate batteries.
Was that breaking news on Tesla?
CBAT might be impacted by that.
Okay, so back to this. You don't have to hold this until that Expo. You get a quick $5 move up to $50 here. You could sell that for an easy 2, 3, 400% return. So that's why I like getting those out of the money strike vertical spreads there for longer term expiration. Because if you get that quick move, you make a quick couple 100%, and you're on the safer side by getting that longer term leap as your expiration. Let's see what's going on here. We got a 5% gain on our JP Morgan calls. We got a 3% gain on our FedEx trade we just made. Tesla is up 8%. We're up $1,300 on Tesla, $250 on JP Morgan, $140 on FedEx. Disney, we're up $500 today. Delta, we're up $500 today. Amazon, I'm down $1,700, but overall for the day, I'm up over $1,000. Plus what we locked in this morning, I'm up over $2,000 today. There goes JP Morgan, another big climb there on JP Morgan, guys. New highs of the day on JPM. JP Morgan trades now up 6% and continuing to break higher, 131.04. Amazon steadily holding. Looking good here. Bob is starting that climb again as well.
APHA, Afria, January $15, January 2022, $15 call sweep. Currently at $8.40 at Papa Hotel Alpha.
I really think we're going to see Tesla above $1,000 a share by that February Expo. I really do. New highs on JP Morgan. There she goes. We're up 8% on our JP Morgan trade. I already made a quick $400 on that simple little trade here. $420. We're up 5% on our FedEx trade. I hate when it does that.
mRNA, Moderna, European Commission gives final approval to Moderna.
Guys, here we go.
mRNA.
$420, 7.63% gain. She's still climbing right now. I don't know why this does this to me. There we go. Alrighty, so we were up 7.63%. Now we are up. Let's take a look. Up 3,000 for the day. Look at that. $500 profit, 9% gain. She's still on the climb here. She's breaking 131.43 right now. Now we're up 11% on our JP Morgan trade. I mean, take a look at this. We just made a quick $600 on that JP Morgan trade right here. $595. We're up about 11% on JP Morgan. She's still continuing to climb and break higher here. 131.44. Still breaking 141.46. Nice gains here today, guys. Really nice job today. Our FedEx trade. So there's our JP Morgan trade, right? Our JP Morgan trade's up 600 bucks. You guys see on YouTube there. We made 2 trades today and we closed out one. We closed out Bank of America for 105%. We just made the JP Morgan trade. You know, already up 600 bucks on that. Here is the FedEx trade. The FedEx trade we just made. A quick $222.43 on that, up 4.23%. There goes JP Morgan up here taking off again. Looking good, guys. Really good day. Up about 3,400 for the day. There goes Baba taking off. Nice climb here, guys. JP Morgan looks like it's ready to take off again. Another nice climb on JP Morgan. Big candle there. Baba's getting a nice little run here, guys. Take a look at Baba. Want to see her break that 237.50. Let's see here what's Q's doing. Amazon. Let's see what's Tesla doing. Tesla's back up 3.1%. That's looking good. Nice climb here, guys. Anyone stay in that Bank of America trade this morning? Or did everyone close it out for that 105%? Probably be up closer to 200% right now. There goes JP Morgan again. what FedEx is doing here.
DKNG, DraftKings, January 55 fall sweep on DKNG, Delta Kilo November Golf.
There goes JP Morgan again, guys. Get this mouse down. Nice climb on JP Morgan. $130, $148. Efren, breaking news. Just sold JP Morgan 6.10, locked in $600 gain.
Finally, I don't mean to belabor the legislative element, but I wonder if you can give our viewers a sense of the color of the middle of the Senate when it comes to cannabis. Are you beginning to parse out which players might even be willing to entertain this conversation?
Let's see, executions.
Shares of Tesla getting a pop here, intraday high.
Tesla, nice
TSLA,
pop there on Tesla, guys.
290, up about 3.75% now. TSLA Tesla.
Guys, here is the trade I just sold on JP Morgan. That was a beautiful gain there.
MARK tweeting remark.
So here we go, guys. Here is what we just did.
Stocking shelves, biggest opportunity cost for retail and grocery. That's MARK remark.
We bought JP Morgan
Now shares spiking
for
behind
$550. We just sold it for $610. We had 10 contracts, so we just locked in a $600 profit on JP Morgan.
Remark hitting $1.99 at the highs, up about 6%. CBAT, CBAC Energy, following that report.
Tesla's taking off, guys, up 3.7%.
Earlier regarding
We got a
Google,
12% gain on Tesla right now. ExxonMobil trade, we have the January 15th 44 call. That's up 8%. Was that an official trade, Efren? The ExxonMobil January 15th 44 call? Intel's looking great there. That's continuing to climb, but the star of the show here is definitely Tesla. I think I'm going to lock in some profits on Tesla today. What do you think? That's for the February 19th Expo. Are you guys in the Tesla trade? What do you think, Skyjack? Lock in profits or hold on to it? It's for the February Expo. I think we still got quite a room to run on that. Yeah, let Tesla run. We'll let it run there. Guys, our trades are looking really good. They're really picking up nicely here. Amazon's climbing. Baba got right up to that 237.50. I don't know what the heck she wants to do there. We got to see that break that 237.50 on Baba. She wants to do it. Got to get a candle with a body above it. JP Morgan still climbing. Goes Tesla. I want to see Tesla at 800. I think we're going to see Tesla 800 by the end of the week. There goes Baba, guys, 238. Nice breakout on Baba. There goes Amazon here as well. But Baba is on the run. Nice run on Baba. Look at that breakout. 238 continuing to run. Really nice job here today, guys. FedEx trade's looking great. Tesla's looking great. ExxonMobil's looking great.
Get help with expenses health insurance doesn't cover. Get to know us.
Let's see, what are our gains so far today? So here's what we locked in so far today. We locked in a total of, and as you guys could see, this is from January 6th to January 6th. Total gain today, $2,087.72. And we still have a $2,000 profit in the account from Tesla, Disney, Delta, everything else that's climbing here today. Guys, that Caterpillar trade's up 6% now. I was watching that one. It was up 3% in the pre-market hours. But here's what we did. We locked in a nice trade on Bank of America, the January 8th. We had a 105% gain on that trade, right? 105%. JP Morgan, what was our entry and exit on that? 550 divided by 6.10. 6.1 divide that by 5.5. That was an 11% gain. The Riot trade. Ephraim, what was your entry and exit on Riot? Antiva. Nice breakout here, guys. I like how things are looking. Hopefully we can continue that climb. I mean, markets are green now after being down. NASDAQ was down 180 points in the pre-market. I'm like, oh, man, I didn't even want to get out of bed today. But we rebounded from that quickly. We got some nice profits, and it's just discipline, patience, following that trade plan. Ephraim, you remember your entry and exits on Riot and Tiva? Wanted to put in the percent gains on those.
RLGT, Radiant Logistics. 606 the high, seeing some volume coming in, Romeo Lima Golf Tango. Senator Rubio says the NYSE reversal.
So nice $2,087.72 gain today. Some nice trades that we made, and we're still in quite a few, and we're looking good, guys. Can't go wrong with starting the day off with a $2,100 gain. And if we wanted to, we could lock in another $1,000 with the Tesla trade, but I'm going to hold on to Tesla for a bit. I think that's going to continue to run. I want to see Tesla up about 6% by the end of today. I think that could happen easily. So I will let that continue to run. Let's see. Our FedEx trade's back up over 4% already.
Gold falling to the lows, selling off 1908.50 the low on gold.
JP Morgan starting to climb again. We did a nice job taking profits when we did on that. Oh, my phone's dead. AIG up 6.3% now. Take a look at AIG. That one's just been a beast all morning here, continuing to break higher. AIG looks ready for another continued run. There goes Baba breaking off that 10. See FedEx here, FDX. FedEx is at the highs of the day here, guys. Nice gains on FedEx. We're up 6% on the FedEx trade already, guys. $300 profit on FedEx. We've been printing money here this week. Are you guys in the FedEx trade, or was that a little bit of an expensive trade for you guys to jump into? Amazon's breaking higher here again as well. FedEx trade's now up 6%. JP Morgan's breaking out again. Amazon's climbing. Disney. Our Disney trade's up $512 today. That's looking really good for the June 18th 185 call. Should be adding to that one. There goes FedEx. More new highs on FedEx. There goes Baba. Markets are running again. There goes Amazon. 7% gain on FedEx now. We're up $400 on the FedEx trade already. Another big candle there on FedEx. We're now up 8% on FedEx. Up almost $500 on the FedEx trade now. Continued breakout on FedEx. I think FedEx is going to be one of those rock star trades here that we've been making. Looking good. There goes JP Morgan, 130, 155. Congress is getting ready to officially count the electoral votes, so you might want to stay away from this volatility you're going to see. You're going to see some of these senators doing really crazy things here over the next couple of hours. Bank of America, $32.51 a share. We had the 30.50 call that we paid 66 cents for. It's now worth $2. Divide that by 0.66. That's over a 230% return with the time value included on it as well. You're right, Tyler. I'm glad with my 105% gain. I missed out on an extra 125%, but happy with it. There goes Tesla starting to climb again. Let's see. Julie Bryce said she picked up one contract to FedEx. Nice, Julie. That's going to be a big one there. There goes Tesla taking off here again, guys. FedEx, that's going to make a nice return there. Short-term target 270, 275. You know, I mean, but with that February expo, I really think we can see 280, 290, possibly even 300. There goes Tesla, guys. Tesla having another breakout. New highs of the day on Tesla. Let's see, we're up. How much percent are we up on Tesla? Got a nice 12% gain on Tesla, guys. I really think she could see that 800 though today if we really have an afternoon move. There goes Baba again. Tesla, big breakout on Tesla. 13% gain on Tesla. Excuse me.
Yeah, well, it's unfortunate to say the least. And as you say, we've got a lot of smart people here. I mean, heck,
Intel trades finally almost in the green again.
15% already.
That's for the
Let me come back to a
February 19th expo as well.
last question, though. You seem to indicate, Kathy, there's a possibility that the SALT deduction could come back with Chuck Schumer the majority leader. Do you really think that's possible?
Day, we didn't make a cat trade. We went over the chart there, but we didn't make a Caterpillar trade. Guys on YouTube, if you guys are watching this and enjoying this, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like for me, share it on social media. I'd really appreciate that, guys. You know, that could really help us out, help our channel, and provide much more education and videos to others, help them out there. So please do that for us. Share the video on social media, give it a like. I'd really appreciate that. Tesla still wants to break higher.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we need a lot of other things too, including keeping a lot of big corporations in New York. But that's a subject for another day. Kathy, thank you.
Let's see Tesla break that 762.50.
S&P has now joined the Dow in record high territory, just about 35 points or so from another century milestone. Coming up next, we'll get some exclusive with Anthony Wood of Roku as they announce 15 million active accounts. We're back in a moment.
New projects means new project managers. You need to hire an AAPL.
AMC, Alpha Michael Charlie, shares spiking here, $2.15, AMC.
Resume day with us. Claim your $75 credit and post your first job at Indeed.com/home.
Hit $2.15 at the high.
Stocks today. There's just never enough time. If you've ever considered flying private jets, you have to check out one flight.
AMC in talks for European financing. That according to
Just type in your location and find the closest airport. Then choose from over 4,000 jets in one place. When I land, there's always a
Dow
couple
Jones.
courtesy of OnePlus.
Dow's up 460 points. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Look at Dow. Should be picking up some Dow contracts here for the week.
For UK unit holding to borrow up to 300 million British pounds, according to Dow Jones.
This is the investing book everyone is talking about. It's called Follow the Smart Money. And traders are lining up here to meet the authors, John.
Diamond's still climbing.
Get a free copy.
Markets are climbing here, guys. There goes Tesla again.
By following their trades the way we do, you gain their advantage and get in first ahead of the herd on the
Looking good, guys. There goes Tesla. Big breakout on Tesla, guys. Take a look at that candle on Tesla.
This is how they pick their
I think Tesla's going to see that 800s really soon here.
Call or go to morganstanley.com right now. Just take care of delivery and it's yours free. Act quickly and you'll also get this companion DVD for free.
13% gain on Tesla, up $1,700 for the day on Tesla.
800-848-3232 or followthesmartmoney.com. That's followthesmartmoney.com. At GoToBank, we're for the go-to people.
Another big candle on Tesla, guys, getting up to 765.
CFO,
There she goes,
Pablo
14% gain on Tesla. Jack, Skyjack, what are you doing with Tesla? You holding on to it? She's up 4% now for the day, breaking 4%.
Holidays boost hiring? What if the new COVID strains and vaccines continue to impact your
Boeing to release its Q4 results on January 27th. That's Bravo Alpha.
Good morning, it is 8 a.m. at Roku headquarters in Los Gatos, California. It's 11 a.m. on Wall Street and Squawk Alley is live.
I'm going to hold on to those Tesla calls. I know they're going to rocket higher once the Democrats get into office.
EOYS, NASDAQ listed Eli's Game Technology, dual list on Neo Exchange. That's Ecolina Yankee Sandy. EOYS.
Quantum, I think we're going to see Tesla at $1,000 by the February Expo. I really do. Easy money there, in my opinion. There goes Tesla again climbing.
Three Chinese telcos after all. Meanwhile, the S&P still touching record highs. It's probably
Up 14% on Tesla right now.
of this hour, Scott Dennett of Stifel, internet analyst. Scott, you just upgraded JP. I've noticed that Chinese internet stocks seem to be moving in response to the delist or not delist. Is that just short-term noise, or do investors really need to be?
There we go. There's another run coming on Tesla. Up almost 15% on Tesla. We're up $1,800 on Tesla.
Whether that's in China or as it relates, to the U.S.
Here's our Tesla trade.
I'm not overly concerned in terms of what's happening in the U.S. at this moment, and particularly the companies that you mentioned, China specifically government.
Here's our Tesla trade. We're up $1,727.50 today, up $1,020 overall, up about 14% on that trade. And that's for the February 19th Expo, the 740 call. Plenty of time on that, and I love that setup on Tesla. It looks great. Looks great.
The company has steady 20+% growth, expanding operating margins, and it's going through a monetization event with three businesses that it owns as well. So it looks like it's very mispriced in terms of Wall Street.
Alrighty, guys, that's going to do it for the morning session. I'm going to watch what they're doing here on, what is it called, C-SPAN. See what they do, see how the markets react. JP Morgan's near the highs of the day once again. Might be doing another financial trade in the afternoon. I'm going to look for a vertical spread here. That's something we could take advantage of for this week's expo. But great morning, guys. We had a hell of a morning here, looking good. And we'll see you guys again at around 2 o'clock. If you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com, click on Join Now,
$1.40 uniform
pricing membership plans.
Echo Kilo.
And if you guys want to join and take advantage of our special for the Elite Pro Trader, instead of $2,500 for the year, it'll be about $1,600. Use promo code HOLIDAY.
Financial starting now, $1.99,
Holiday 2020, and you guys will be set for a 35% off discount for the yearly membership there. So I'll see you guys. If you guys sign up, go to the live trade room right here. And then at 2 o'clock, if you're a pro trader or an elite pro trader, you'll have access to the afternoon live session. So make sure you guys take a look on that. And we will see you guys again at 2. There goes JP Morgan taking off again. Tesla's taking off here again as well. So looking good. I think we're going to continue this climb into the afternoon here. So looking forward to it. I'll see you guys at 2. We'll be in the trade room for now. And have a great day, guys. God bless. And let's continue making this money this week. See you later, guys.